All right, so you have roughly this body style, or this is an '06 Nissan Pathfinder. You've got something wrong in your doors, front doors, and you need to take those panels off. How do we do it? Well, let's start here on the panel, and I'll show you guys what to take off of the panel and how to do it. Then I'll show you what you have to remove and how to get the pop clips loose before you lift the door panel up. You will also need to disconnect electrical connections. I'll show you guys those in just a bit. All right, so here's our door panel, guys. We have a cover here and a cover here. You'll take this cover off, then this cover off. You'll come from underneath the bottom here. Don't come from the top, come from the bottom. And you'll pop this panel up. This is where all your switches are. You'll have this electrical connection that you need to undo. And then you'll need to pop this armrest up so you can gain access to the 3 10mm bolts. Those bolts are right here. This one is behind this cowl piece. This was the second one we took off. This was the first one we took off. This is the armrest that we popped up. And these two are the bolts that are behind the armrest. It is so much easier to take your lights or your switch bezels out and disconnect the wiring here and here. You can get those by taking a flat screwdriver and working from the tab here and just carefully wiggle this up. You can do that on almost all of these connectors, guys. Every single one of these, you can put that flat screwdriver right where my thumb is, and you can wiggle the connector down and off and out. Same with that one right there, and the same with this one right here where my finger is. So remove those 3 connectors. 2 of them are on here. The other one is on your door panel here. Now, if you don't have the fully loaded model, you may not have these. These are program switches for seat. So if you got the fully loaded package, you'll have a electronic seat here. Those are to program the memory for all of that, including the pedals, where the pedals will be. And the last thing we got to talk about is the pop clips. How do you get the pop clips that hold the panel on without breaking them? You guys might have seen the tool as I was moving around, but I might have set it down somewhere else. Let me look. Yeah, you guys might have seen this a little bit here in the video. This is the tool you need, and how you do this is from underneath the door. You're going to come up, get as close to that tab as you can, and then rock this piece forward. You're going to want to do that in these key spots. This one will pop probably automatic once you get it. And then it's going to be held in by the channel. So you'll have to pull the door panel away and lift up. Once you lift up and you're away from that door handle, the panel will clear. You can set the panel off to the side like you guys saw that I had it. Then reinstall is just doing the opposite of what we just did. You put the panel back down, push the pop clips in, put the 3 screws in, make sure your electrical connections are in, put all your bezels on, and you're done. Now the reason I'm doing this video, guys, is we have to replace a broken mirror. In order to gain access to the electrical connection for that mirror, the door panel has to come off. This is why I made this video, because honestly, this is what I do. I make a lot of videos for you guys on how to take things apart, how to put them back together, and we do some fun stuff as far as mods and stuff goes for vehicles.